Hey. Okay. Just stay on me. Hold on. Hey. Hit. Go. Is he still there?
Probably.
Okay, hold on. Wow. That was a lucky shot.
Here.
Huh?
Come back in here and go back out?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright. Well, I was about to be chapter. I do it.
Some don't hurt, some really hurt. Okay, if you look down here, you see anyone, shoot him.
Got you. I'm gonna go that way.
Okay, go. Go! Hold on. Got him.
You got him?
Yep, I got one of them. Hold on. Look this way. Turn around. Oh, shoot. Man, I saw one guy run around. There he is. Found him. Hold on. Shoot. Hold on, Remington. Hey, watch it. They're straight down this alleyway.
Alright.
Okay, he's out.
That's one.
He's got. Remington. Okay. Oh. You get him?
Hey, run over here and shoot. I should run over.
Finger.
Yeah.
I ain't firing shit.
Normally that doesn't do any. Oh, that means you're out.
Oh shit, that's gonna help.
I'll take your mags when you're out.
got one shooting down this side.
Hold on. Oh, I see him. I see him. Hold on. Changing. Hold on. Oh, shoot, you almost got lit up. Watch down there. I got you. Crap. Crap, crap.
Oh, I got sprinkled by ricochet right over.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Okay, Remington, come around this corner and look down.
No.
This corner is clear.
Alright.
Coming across.
Right behind this crate, watch it. Go, I got a hit. I'll be going far, buddy. Hey, go.
Did you miss?
Hey, let's go.
Go. Go across. No, Remington, that way.
Alright, all the way up, boys. I'll go.
Go low. Shoot. Yo! Hold on, there's one guy down here. One guy, hey, is that our guy at the car?
I don't think so.
Whoa!
Second, straight across. Blue barrel.
Coming down. Whoa! Coming back. Watch straight down here. Ah, dude. Yeah, knuckle shots suck. Thank you. I got that one guy. Hey, Remington, cut across into that corner. Look straight down.
Hey, he got him.